Hi students, my name is Ruchika and I welcome you to Success CD's Education. Here is important information for students of CBSE class 12th, subject Geography. I'll talk about the board exam pattern and the structure of the question paper. Tell you the weightage given to the different topics, the design of the question paper, the weightage given as per the content and as per the difficulty level. This is available on the website of the CBSE. Here is the breakup of the marks. Fundamentals of Human Geography will carry 35 marks. This has Unit 1 Human Geography, Unit 2 People, Unit 3 Human Activities, Transport, Communication and Trade, and Unit 5 that is Human Settlements. All these 5 units will carry 30 marks weightage. The map work will carry 5 marks. Then part B, India, People and Economy will also carry 35 marks. In this, Unit 6, People, Unit 7, Human Settlements, Resources and Development, Unit 9, Transport, Communication and International Trade, and Unit 10, Geographical Perspective on Selected Issues and Problems. These units will carry 30 marks weightage and the map work will be there for 5 marks. Then the practical work will carry 30 marks. Unit 1 that is Processing of Data and Thematic Mapping will be for 15 marks. Unit 2 Field Study or Spatial Information Technology will carry 10 marks. The practical record book and Viva will be of 5 marks. This is the design of the question paper. The theory paper, which will carry 70 marks, will be for 3 hours duration. Questions based on remembering, there will be 3 short answer questions of 1 mark each, 1 short answer question of 3 marks, then there will be 1 long answer, 1 type of question of 5 marks, and there will be 1 map for 5 marks, totaling to 16 marks. Questions based on understanding, there will be 1 question of 1 mark, 1 question of 3 marks and 2 questions of 5 marks each, totaling to 14. Questions based on application, there will be 1 question of 3 marks and 2 questions of 5 marks each, totaling to 13. Questions based on high order thinking skills, there will be 2 questions of 1 mark each, 1 question of 3 marks, then there will be 2 questions of 5 marks each and 1 map interpretation of 5 marks, totaling to 20. Questions based on evaluation, there will be 1 question of 1 mark, then there will be 1 plus 1 value based question of 3 marks each, totaling to 7 marks. This is the weightage given to the difficulty levels. Easier level of difficulty will have a 20% weightage. Average difficulty level will have a 60% weightage and higher level of difficulty will carry 20% weightage. Here you can see Unit 1 to 5 has a weightage of 30 marks and the map work relating to these units has 5 marks weightage. Unit 6 to Unit 10 carries 30 marks weightage and the map work relating to these units will carry 5 marks weightage, totaling to 70 marks weightage given to the theory paper. Thank you for watching this. We have similar videos on other subjects and do subscribe to Success CD's Education.